that big?
Aortic arch.
Aortic arch.
So the subclavian and the... How come both sides have different? One has the brachiocephalic to the subclavian.
Your subclavian. Right subclavian. And then the main branch is your brachiocephalic right here. The brachiocephalic branches to all these. Left common carotid, right common carotid, and right subclavian.
That's the right subclavian.
We move that out of the way, you get to the right subclavian.
Okay. And then down there. The splenic artery in here. That's messed up.
Off of this one here.
That's the
So you need to clean this up a little bit more. Because that's your celiac trunk.
Celiac.
And it's going to branch out and go to all these different places. So that's the one that goes up to the spleen.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
So what's the right? What's in here?
Yeah, those are both splenic.
Both splenic.
Yeah,
and this is the celiac trunk. And this one.
Superior.
Mesentery. And how about the inferior?
It's down. You cut it.
You cut it.
Looks like you removed it. Nope, it's gone.
But it's supposed to be like, it's in a small one.
Yeah, it comes off here and goes to the large intestine right here.
And this is the abdominal aorta.
Yep.
Okay. And what else? That's it.
Femoral artery?
Femoral artery. Femoral artery is this.
Oh, the external and internal iliac artery. Just to be sure.
It's supposed to be. So that's the external.
Yep.
Internal.
Internal. And what are this stuff here? This is the anterior and posterior, or where's the popliteal here?
Well, yeah, this is the popliteal.
Popliteal.
And then that branches to your tibials.
Oh, tibials.
Oh, so that one inside branches out to the
tibials.
two.
Yeah.
But we can't see the one.
Well, if you keep following
posterior
it
and
down, just tibial is fine. You don't have to differentiate.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.